Hi, my name is Richard Duffy. I'm the SAP Business One product evangelist, and I'd like to welcome you to this series of partner sales readiness training for SAP Business One Analytics powered by SAP HANA. In our first module, I'm going to give you an overview of SAP HANA and talk about what it is, talk about the business challenge that it addresses, and talk about specifically how that relates to our customers as small enterprises. When we think about this, there is a couple of key realities to bear in mind. The first of those realities is the fact that today there is an information explosion. Massive amounts of data are being created every year, and how fast your business reacts to the important information that that data contains will determine whether or not you succeed or fail. This is a big problem for many organizations, regardless of size, and it's getting bigger. IDC estimates that worldwide, digital content added up to 487 billion gigabytes in 2009. They predict this will double in 18 months and every 18 months thereafter. Sloan Management recently conducted a survey where 60% of the executives that they interviewed said that their companies have more data than they know how to use effectively. With data doubling every 18 months, the percentage is going to keep growing. So this presents itself as a massive challenge. The second reality is that IT has become consumerized. What do I mean by that? The proliferation of digital devices such as iPads, Android devices, smartphones, and people's expectation to be able to utilize those devices to consume business information has meant that there is an increasing pressure on IT and IT departments to facilitate the usage of those devices in the organization. A couple of side effects of that is that there is now an expectation to be able to make decisions in real time at moments of risk and opportunity. Think about it, if you are currently using one of those devices, you would find that the user interface is very, very different to what you're traditionally familiar with when using PC-based applications. And customers now expect that their business applications and their business experience should be as rich and as satisfying as their personal experience. And of course, people expect instant, correct answers to any question. In these days of Google, where if somebody asks you a question, you just jump onto www.google.com and a couple of seconds later you've got the answer. That is the level of ease of use, if you like, that people are looking for to get access to their business data. And that's about getting access to that information in the moment, whether that moment is a moment of risk or a moment of opportunity. If the moment passes and your business hasn't taken the right action, it has failed. So again, it's all about getting those instant answers. The third reality is that for many organizations, the IT systems of today cannot deliver. They cannot keep up. They cannot deliver cost-effective management of those large data volumes. On top of that, they can't then provide an immediate answer to any question. And it's impossible to really try and provide a current and complete picture of all the information that is available. So what does this mean? This means that businesses of all sizes and organizations like SAP and your organization as an SAP partner have to find a way to help our customers do these things, manage that large amount of data, provide answers that deliver insight, and make sure that all the available information is collated together in a cohesive fashion. So there are our three realities that form the underpinning of the business problem that SAP HANA sets out to solve. So the reality, when you are working with SAP HANA, when you're looking at what it is that HANA delivers, is it really addresses those three key areas. Number one, by delivering groundbreaking in-memory innovations. Number two, by delivering almost 300 times faster analytics, and in many instances even faster than that. And also by delivering real-time access to transactional data. all delivered with scale, speed, and flexibility. That's the role of SAP HANA. So what exactly is SAP HANA? Well, we talk about SAP HANA as being our in-memory appliance. And if you'd like to add one more acronym to your vocabulary, well, HANA stands for High Performance Analytic Appliance. And it consists of a number of different components. And these components will vary according to the solution that's provided. So, at the baseline, you're looking at a set of software which provides the ability to load data in memory and manage that data in memory. It also consists of hardware from a number of our hardware partners like HP, IBM, Fujitsu, Cisco, and Dell. For example, with SAP Business One, we're working today with Fujitsu to certify a number of hardware offerings that we will utilize for the SAP Business One Analytics application. So that's the first component, that software and hardware. The second component is the data modeling and data management. These are the tools like the SAP HANA Studio and the SAP Information Composer that allow you to effectively manage and structure the underlying cubes, if you like, that you'll be working with SAP HANA. Now, when we look in the large enterprise space and we look at the customers who are working with the SAP Business Suite, SAP HANA for those customers also includes SAP Business Objects Data Services for extract, transform, and load capabilities. That's ETL. It also includes SAP NetWeaver Business Warehouse, and it can also include interfaces to other third-party systems. But at the end of the day, this is all about enabling a core set of capabilities. And there's 4 of those capabilities that I like to talk about. The first of those is to analyze information in real time at unprecedented speeds on large volumes of non-aggregated data. That's important because what this is about, if you think about what you're potentially doing today as you prepare data sets for your customers to report on, or even when you report on your own data sets, you're spending a significant amount of time normalizing that data, building those table joins and extracting that data out and loading it into cubes. Well, when we talk about non-aggregated data, we're talking about accessing data in its raw form, where it sits in the current structures in which it sits, and pulling that together. The second capability that HANA enables is the capability to create flexible analytic models which are based on real-time and historic business data. And this is exactly what you're going to see with SAP Business One Analytics. It also provides a foundation for a new category of applications. For example, new ways of thinking about planning, new ways of doing simulation, which will significantly outperform current applications that are performing these tasks today. And the fourth area of capability that HANA enables is minimizing data duplication. Now, for me, the most important thing that I have found when talking to customers is actually point number 3, is that this provides a foundation for a new category of applications. Why? Because it provides now the power to give people the data that they never had before in a rapid way that they never had before, which now provides the opportunity for new business models and new ways of thinking about business. For you as an SAP partner, I truly believe that that is a huge opportunity to understand how this technology is going to enable you to provide these new business opportunities or to be the enabler of these business opportunities for your customer. This is really, truly delivering on the promise of information technology that we have for so long looked forward to. So let's talk about some proof points. And with SAP Business One Analytics for SAP HANA, we're currently in ramp up. So a lot of the proof points we're looking at are proof points that we have gained as a result of utilizing SAP HANA in some of our large enterprise customers. But the concepts here are still the same. What are we looking at? For some of those customers, they have seen 3,600 times faster reporting speed. They've seen 460 billion data records analyzed in less than a second. And interestingly, they've also seen incredible value. Having the ability to create these new real-time processes and simplify the IT landscape has a big impact. Oxford Economics did a study and they looked at companies who have implemented real-time systems, and they found that those companies see an average 21% revenue growth and an average reduction in IT cost of 19%. I don't know of any organization that wouldn't want to achieve those kinds of results. And think about it, translate that into real dollar metrics when you are presenting these solutions to your customers, and it will make it incredibly easy to position the value of the SAP Business One Analytics application. We have many different SAP HANA customer testimonials, and the focus here is not so much on the customer itself, but the specific business scenario that the customer utilized HANA to help them with. Gaining business insights into software piracy, being able to analyze large volumes of complex data, and then thinking about insight to action that allowed Adobe to develop preventative strategies and explore significant revenue recovery opportunities. Infosys use HANA to understand profitability by project, do those what-if analyses on the fly with granular revenue and cost data. As a result, the business value, Infosys were able to explore and interact with key variables that impacted on a project's profitability at all levels within the company. And there's even more of these stories, and I would encourage you to reach out and learn more about each one of these different customers and how they've been able to utilize HANA. Cisco are working together with SAP to give customers the ability to make better decisions faster. With the in-memory technology and specifically HANA, users have the ability now to simplify the effective delivery of that high-value information to their business decision makers. And the solutions that are part of these offerings are HANA, Business Objects, Business Intelligence, and Business Warehouse. So we're seeing all of the SAP products now starting to take advantage of this underlying technology. And the stories go on and on. There are many more customer case studies that you can learn about today. But fundamentally, what is this about? Well, it's really about making sure that business intelligence is optimized and that information can be used to deliver insight and take action. Gartner agree. As you can see, they believe that analytics will be transformed by in-memory approaches. And we believe at SAP that analytics is just the start. At SAP, we're already delivering new in-memory applications, and we believe in-memory will become the norm for transactional data management as well. Don't forget, take a look at the SAP Business One roadmap. You've heard us talk about our plans to start moving SAP Business One towards running on top of SAP HANA, and not just providing the data analytics, but also providing those transactional capabilities. So with SAP Business One, the message is we are there and we are clearly aligned with the SAP roadmap. And interestingly enough, with SAP Business One, we often deliver our solutions ahead of the rest of the organization. Small enterprises are ideally positioned to take advantage of these innovations much, much quicker. So, as you think about the value proposition, as you think about how do I go out now and start explaining what in-memory is all about, what is the SAP Business One Analytics powered by SAP HANA going to do for your customers? Well, we believe there are 5 key points to focus on. Number 1, this solution, these technologies and this platform will help your customers make decisions in real time. And we're providing the tools which we'll take you through in additional sessions that will enable fast and easy creation of ad hoc views on your business data and access to real-time analysis. The second point, it's about accelerating business performance, increasing the speed of transactional information flow in areas such as planning, forecasting, pricing, and in areas that we haven't even thought of yet. And to me, that is the exciting opportunity with in-memory and with this technology. Number 3, the power of being able to unlock new insights, removing those constraints for analyzing large data volumes, regardless of whether you're a small company or a large company. Being able to analyze that large data and determine what are the trends, do that data mining, start doing predictive analysis, and importantly, being able to do that with structured and unstructured data. Point number 4, it's about increasing business productivity. Business can now design and own their own analytical models, and this reduces the reliance on IT. And they can use data from anywhere by combining the power of SAP HANA with their mobile solutions. So again, from your perspective as a partner, there is an incredible opportunity for you to start now thinking about my customers in the segments that I focus on, in the industries that I target. What is it that those customers are looking for? How can I build those analytical models that will help my customers become more effective? And the 5th point, again, what is this all about? It's all about improving IT efficiency, driving down total cost of ownership. It's about managing this growing data volume and complexity and lowering the landscape costs. So 5 key points to remember when you are positioning the value proposition of in-memory: real-time decisions, accelerate business performance, unlocking new insights, increasing business productivity, and improving IT efficiency. So that brings this first module to a close. Again, I wanted to deliver a little bit of an overview and talk about some of the business issues that are driving the build and adoption of in-memory technologies, as well as giving you some key points to think about when you're positioning your value proposition for SAP Business One Analytics powered by SAP HANA. I'd like to thank you for taking time to view this module. Again, if you do have any questions at all, or you would like more information, please reach out to your local channel manager, your local product expert, or of course, you can contact me. Again, you can get me at richard.duffy@sap.com, and I'd be more than happy to see how I can help you further. Thank you very much, and talk to you in our next module.